Hello everyone, it's me Neema and I welcome you all to my kitchen. So, are you ready for today's recipe? Today I'm going to make a vanilla mug cake. Very simple and tasty. So, let's get started. For this mug cake, I'm using a coffee mug which is microwave safe. Now into this mug, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, one and a half tablespoon of powdered sugar, and then goes in 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now let's mix this well with a fork. See, it has been mixed very well. Now into this I'm going to add in the wet ingredients. So first let's add in 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, then goes in 2 tablespoons of milk, one tablespoon of butter, half tablespoon of cream, then goes in half teaspoon of vanilla extract and a drop of vinegar. Let's mix this well. See the texture. Our mixture has been blended very well. Now let's bake this in a microwave just for 1 minute. Wow! Our mug cake is ready. If you wish, then you can serve this with a scoop of ice cream or you can garnish it with some colorful sprinkles. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video with another recipe. So stay tuned.